Presenting the Chevrolet 2018 Equinox LS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: engine 1.5L turbo DOHC 4-cylinder CDV VT, 170 horsepower, 127.0 kilowatts at 5600 RPMs, 203 pounds-ft of torque, 275.0 Nm at 2000 to 4000 RPMs. STD tires P225/65 R17 all-season black wall. Transmission 6-speed automatic electronically controlled with overdrive, includes driver shift control. STD silver ice metallic audio system. Chevrolet Malink radio with 7 inches diagonal color touchscreen and AM/FM stereo, includes Bluetooth streaming audio for music and most phones.